These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides we see dots. We refer to these dots as pips. One way in which we can use the dominoes is to help us to analyze frequency. For this activity, we're going to use a sheet titled Frequency of Domino Differences. I'm going to use only dominoes that have pips from 0 to 6. I'm going to start by flipping over all of my dominoes. I'm going to be using 20 of the dominoes in the set of 0 to 6 pips. I'm going to start with flipping over one domino, and I am going to look at the quantities on each side, and I am going to record the difference between these two quantities. So here I see 6 and here I see 4. The difference between 6 and 4 is 2. So I am going to mark that with a tally mark. Then I will choose another domino. Here I have 5 and 2. The difference is 3. So I will continue with that until I have 20 results. So I have already done 20 trials, and here I have recorded all of the differences. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill in a graph with this data. So I have my title, Frequency of Domino Differences, and I'm choosing to do a dot plot. So now what I will do is I will put in my dots to show the data that I have. So here I had 5 dominoes that had a difference of 0. I also had 5 dominoes with a difference of 1. I had 2 dominoes with a difference of 2, 3 dominoes with a difference of 3, 3 dominoes with a difference of 4, 1 domino with a difference of 5, and 1 domino with a difference of 6. Now I need to record the mode. Well, I actually have multiple modes from this set of data. So I have 0, and I also have 1. And now what I can do is I can show my graph to a partner, and between the two of us, we can discuss the differences that occurred more frequently and talk about why that might be with the graphs that we have. And so here's one of the ways in which we can use dominoes to help us analyze frequency.